Hi guys, this is Nishitha and welcome back to my channel. I've decided to vlog today, in fact the entire weekend, because I plan on doing really interesting stuff and I thought I would take you guys and let you guys spend the weekend with me.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy.
I was just getting ready because we are going to Canada's Wonderland, which is like an amusement park here in Canada, and it's going to be like a Halloween hunt theme, and I'm super excited for it. I've never really celebrated Halloween back in India. In fact, I've never really seen like a proper Halloween party or a theme party before, so I'm really excited for it. I'm going to be going with my friends, so you know Soumya already, and then there's going to be Mia, who's my new roommate. Guys, this is Soumya and that's Mia, and we are all wearing the same color, and this was not decided.
Yeah, it was not decided. Yeah,
She just came to our place and she was shocked to see us both in the same color as
very
well.
shocked.
We are two wonders at dawn of the world.
It's really cold and we all have our winter jackets on. What month is it?
October?
October. Is it really cold like in October? Only?
Yeah, it gets cold in October.
It's really cold.
I'm preaching you my church. I'm yin and yang. You're my east, I'm your ass. And no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we running there.
We can order the whole and fried protein.
What is it?
Whole and fried protein.
Whole and
like
fried-
chicken. No?
Yeah. We'll order chicken.
We are two strangers who fell in love in the world of wolves. Late sunset, you said yes, I said always, and we run and dance. I'm water, you're a wave, I'm a player.
So we're actually deciding which ride to get on to, and Mia is currently checking which one is more scary, and Soumya is... Which ride do you want to get on to?
None of the rice.
Okay, so we go like this. It's slow at the beginning,
Yeah, at the beginning.
and then it comes down.
Oh no.
Come on, Soumya! Mia?
Are you ready, kid? Yeah! Alright, are you ready, kid? Three, two, one, go!
Contact with any other riders. Do not switch center.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and yesterday was so good, but damn, it was so cold. Like my hands were literally frozen to ice, and yeah, I think I'm already afraid of the winter now. Let's see how it goes. But yeah, today is a Saturday and I wanted to make like a dessert at home. So my mom sent me this strawberry custard powder, and I also have some fresh strawberries. So I thought I would do like a small, very simple dessert so that we can binge in this weekend. So I'm gonna be like, hey guys, welcome to my cooking show. But yeah, so this is the custard powder that I was talking about. This is really famous back in India, but this one's a strawberry flavor and I'm really excited to try this one out. So first what we do is we boil some milk, and then we add sugar, and then we add the custard plus water mix into the milk, and then we again let it boil until it gets that consistency, and then we'll add some chopped strawberries. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so me and Mia, we've come out to go to Ikea. We're going to take a bus and we have a list from which we have to shop for the house. And yeah, we're just gonna have some shopping time on a Saturday. And I thought I would do like a quick haul before I start putting things away. I did not get like a lot of stuff, just the basic ones for kitchen and just a couple of plants, artificial plants. So okay, let me start off with the stuff that I got for the kitchen. So I got these two glasses. I don't know, this is great if you want to like drink water, juice, anything. I'm really obsessed with this color, so that's one of the reasons why I got this. Then I got this one. So I used to have this back in India, and yeah, as soon as I saw it, it kind of reminded me of home, so I wanted to get one of this as well. So I have a teacup, then I have two bowls, just the basic ones, and I have two plates. So just basic stuff for the kitchen. Apart from this, I also got two plants. So this is the first one. It's basically fake plants. I wanted to put one in my washroom and one just in my room. And to go with the plants, I got these pots, so basic ones. I got two of these again. So this is how this is going to look, and I thought this was super cute. And for this one, I have this. So I might put this one in the washroom, and the other one in my room. And the last items that I got are these boxes. I thought I would put them in like my closet. So there's this stand in which you can, you know, slide in baskets and stuff, and I wanted it to look more organized, so that's one of the reasons I got this. This is how this is gonna look. So yeah, I'm just gonna assemble this I think tomorrow and organize my stuff.